Hi friends, in this video I'm going to be expanding the shelves here in my pantry. I purchased this MDF sheet over at Home Depot. They actually cut it down for me so it could fit in my car. I'm also going to remove this cabinet that I have right here. I'm going to move it over to my master bathroom. I just have decor in here. It's really nothing I ever reach to get because it's so tight right here. I don't even know what's in that cabinet besides the chargers that I store there, but I'm going to start by removing all of the food here in the pantry. I'm gonna put everything on the table, and you guys, look how beautiful my fall decor looks. I actually recorded this video last year, but I didn't upload it because all of the fall decorating videos came along, then Christmas, and now we're just into Valentine's Day, which I didn't even decorate for. So I decided to upload it right now because I think it's the best time. I think it's kind of like an in-between of like Christmas and the spring decor and Easter decor. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I had such a hard time removing the screws from the cabinet. I had my son help me remove all of them, and then I took out the shelves, but they had glue on them, so I had to hit them with a hammer so I can get them out of place. That was a little bit difficult. It was really difficult getting this cabinet out of here. It's really heavy and it's really tall, so we just struggled. And you can see that my laundry room is not that big, so that was the hardest part, just trying to wiggle it through this little area to get it out of the door. So you can see I have my washer and dryer on one side, and then on the other side I have my furnace. I had some leftover MDF sheets, so I cut down some 1x2 strips so I can use that for the back of the shelf. Once it starts getting warm again and I start working on projects, the first thing I'm gonna do is purchase some new clamps. These are great. They're like $1.50, so they're really affordable and they do the job, but they are really hard to clamp on. I always struggle to use them, so I do plan to purchase some new ones this year. I purchased this stud finder at Costco. It's really neat. It can detect the studs and also any electrical wires in the wall.
Hey, I wish you could see yourself just sitting there on my chair. I'm staring at you, you don't even notice. Should've told you straight away, you don't have to be afraid anymore. I know you haven't noticed. You'll know, you'll know.
all of my shelves up now. I decided to use those 1x2s here at the edge as well, since I had some leftover MDF, just to make it look a little bit nicer. You can see that it does make a difference. So now on to painting. I'm just using what I already have. So I'm using the Zinsser, the Pro Choice. This is just the primer. This is the primer that I used when I painted my kitchen cabinets. I had enough paint to paint all of the shelves, and I think they look so nice. You can start to see how beautiful they look, and I'm just really happy about the whole project. My pantry is gonna be so much better now. I can see all of the food in one section. I'm just really happy about the whole project. I gave the shelves 2 coats of paint, and when it was all dry, I just sanded it down with the 220 grit sandpaper just so it can make it really smooth, and it was really nice at the end. I really like how it came out. I'm going to start putting all of the food back, but I do want to focus on the expiration dates. So whatever expires later in the year, I want to put it in the back, and what's going to expire sooner, I'm just going to put those in the front.
I've been gone, but haven't done much healing. It's pretty clear to me. Kinda strange how I can take a beat from my better self. It's like no one else even really scratches the surface. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. Looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention. Wide awake and I'm too scared to wait for a better chance at a great romance, and I'm just not getting any braver. 'Cause nobody gets me. I'm looking for faith, looking for love in every direction. I'm looking for someone to show me the way when my map is torn up. Give me a light when my torch is blown out. Let me escape from my hideaway. I give up all of my little addictions, but I'm still stuck with some tough decisions, yeah. Now I'm up against the wall, and I'm looking for your attention.
Down here I have my flour, my rice, beans, 2 containers of rice. So I have all of my big containers down here. And then over here I just have like all of my canned goods, my pasta sauces. So I have all of that down here. And I love how this looks. I can see everything now. This is the shelf that I was most excited about, because when I used to have it on the cabinet in the kitchen, I could never see what I was looking for. I would have to empty like the whole cabinet to try to find a sauce like way in the back. So this is so beautiful to me. I'm so happy with how this came out. On this shelf I just have some other random things. Nothing is really in order. I just wanted it to look nice and everything grouped together. Some pasta here in the corner, some jello, a bunch of these like little random packets that I have right here. some macaroni and cheese, mayo, Nutella, some ranch, some breakfast instant oatmeal, some cornbread. We have almond milk, and we have a lot of chicken broth. I actually have to use some of it because it's close to expiring. And then we have just the random snacks that my kids can grab. I put them here on this shelf. I don't have to go searching through the bottom and mess up everything else that I have going on. So I just put like all of the chips and stuff right here. So one thing, you guys, with this pantry, it looks like it's empty. In my other pantry, when you guys saw it, looked kind of full. So I'm sure with time this will get as full now that I have more space, but I just think it looks so beautiful like this. And then back here I just have some sugar, some chocolate chips, some chocolate milk, and then all of these cake mixes that I have right here. These are ones that I purchased for like 25 cents when they go on sale, so that's why I have that many right there. And the same goes for the pancake mix. That I usually get it for like $1.25, $1.50, so that's when I stock up. And then same goes for the cereal. I think I paid like $1 a box for the cereal right here, so I think I paid $1.25 and like $1.50 for these. I can't remember. And then on the very top I just have paper towels, some Ziploc bags. And in that corner over there, I'm gonna be putting my extra cake stands that I have no space for. So that's why that space over there is empty right now. But this is what my pantry is looking like right now. I think it came out so nice. I'm so happy that I'm finally done with it. So now I have to go work on the shelf that was here. I'm gonna be moving that on over to the master bath, but I think everything looks great. That's gonna be all for this video, my friends. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, besties.